Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain in social environment means social science as chapter 14. It is chapter 14. Our government. Chapter 14. Our government judiciary system. So yesterday I had explained state government and union territories. So yesterday I had explained that a state government is led by the leader of majority legislative assembly and he is known as chief minister. So really chief minister has much power as to administrate the state, and in this way governor appoints chief minister and chief minister appoints council of ministers, and in this way the state government is run by the chief minister and council of ministers. And for the union territories, in the union territories there are two ways. Union territories has its own chief minister also, and it may be also have councils of ministers like that Delhi, Puducherry. The two union territories has its own chief minister and its own council of ministers and lieutenant governor. In this state, lieutenant governor means looks after as become a representative of directly the President of India. Means Lieutenant Governor is representative of directly the President of India. So Lieutenant Governor governs the territories with the help of ministers if it is possible for the, you can say, Delhi and Puducherry, it happens. Today I am going to explain judiciary system. I had explained executive. In executive, central government I had explained, and after that in second way in books it is also given legislative. I had also explained Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha as for the legislative, and today I am going to explain judiciary. Judiciary system makes assure the rights of Indian people, the rights of Indian citizen. Each and every citizen of India as he or she or any person, any citizen believe on the judiciary system. If they have any types of the case, any types of trials against other person, as in the sense of land matter, in the sense of any types of the fightings, any types of the quarreling, as taking any matter. So judiciary system is responsible for that all types of the rights for the citizen or people of India or any country. Means all the countries have its own judiciary system, but India has its own judiciary system. So judiciary system is followed by as the means country level, central level. As central level you can say Supreme Court, lower to central level state level, at state level High Court, below state level district level. So you can see from district level judiciary, after that second level High Court. High Court means you can say state level, district level and state level and central level. level, it means Supreme Court. Supreme Court. So in this way, as district level also petitioner can appeal, means High Court level also and central level also. So if any matter comes as in the sense of judiciary part as district level, so judge listen all the matters and he or she can give the proper decision in the favor of. So in this way, if the matter is not go well at the district level, the person can go to as High Court and the state level. And if here the listening or petitioner also has dismissed with the trials or decision comes properly in the trials, so it is okay at the level of High Court. But if the matter is not okay, matter is not resolved, so the person can go as central level, means Supreme Court. He or she can go Supreme Court, and there highest level and benches, different single benches, double benches, it is available in High Court also and it is available in central level also, means Supreme Court also. So in the matter of what is the matter and how much matter, bigger or lesser and difficult, complicated, it depends on the judge, and they can make single bench, double bench, large bench, like that. So in this way, judiciary system is responsible to take care all the maintenance of the laws and order in the country. So judiciary takes care of the maintenance of law and order in the country. It consists of a network of judicial bodies or low courts and high courts and Supreme Courts also. So the highest court of justice in our country is the Supreme Court. It is located in New Delhi, the capital of India. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President of India. The President appoints the other judges in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. In this way, the High Court is the highest court of state. There is a provision of a High Court in every state, but some state and union territories share a common High Court. There are district courts at the district level. They deal with the cases and judicial problems of the district. So in this way, all the districts its own district level court, like that. CJM is appointed there, civil judge and other type of judges also may be appointed. So in this way, today you can understand judiciary system of India. So at district level, High Court, state level, at central level, Supreme Court, you have studied this. So highest court of justice, you can also say. Central level means highest court of justice also you can say. You can say it. Highest court of justice. Highest court of justice. So in this way, today you study well as judiciary system, and after that you try to solve questions, some questions as worksheet number 14. I am giving you homework, worksheet number 14. Worksheet 14. You solve today. I fill in the blanks and tick the right answers. I will give you solution and match the following also you can do. And after that, true false also you can do yourself. But I also give you solution for today's class. Thank you.